Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enter promo code in Peacock TV. To enter a promo code on Peacock TV, first of all open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're signed into your Peacock TV account, and from the home page, click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Now, click on the account button at the top right from Who's Watching page. After you do that, you will open up the account section. Under Plans and Payment, you will have an option to enter a promotional code. Enter the code in the text box and then click on the Apply button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enter a promo code on Peacock TV. With the promo code, you can get discount on a Peacock subscription, unlock exclusive content or features. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.